Are you looking for the best strips and surge protectors? In this video we will look at some of the 7 best strips and surge protectors on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. APC Surge Protector. APC has a lot of confidence in this 11-outlet surge arrest, so much so that it offers a $250,000 connected equipment protection policy and a lifetime warranty. Short of using it in a research lab to protect scientific instruments, we had a hard time coming up with a list of equipment to match that total. Multiple layers of protection guard against power surges, and there are LEDs to indicate protection status and building wiring faults. The 6 outlets are spaced nicely to accommodate large power adapters, and all of them have sliding covers to keep out dust and debris when you're not using them. The heavy cord swivels 180 degrees so it lays flat and out of the way, no matter which way it sits behind furniture. Because of the surge arrest's size and features, we found it most useful for elaborate entertainment or computer equipment. Number 2. Belkin 12-Outlet Surge Protector Power Strip. Belkin has everything covered with this 12-outlet power strip, shielding against surges and spikes wherever they might come from. The low-profile surge protector has 6 widely spaced outlets to accommodate large power adapters, and a clip-on cable organizer to keep cords all heading in the same direction. The slim design helps it fit under desks and behind furniture, so you can set it and forget it, although the protection and ground wiring status lights won't be visible in this case. The surge protector also has sliding covers to keep dust out of unused outlets. Belkin provides a $300,000 connected equipment warranty with this surge protector, too. Number 3. Bestek 8-Outlet 6-Foot Extension Cord Power Strip. Bestek's 8-outlet surge protector is ideal as an accessible, under-desk power solution. We found that 8 outlets were more than enough for a fully outfitted, single workstation desk. 2 of them are set apart from the others specifically for devices with large plugs. The other 6 are spaced more tightly, and we were able to use all of them with a range of standard plugs. For smart USB charging ports, ensure each device is charged at the voltage and rate best suited for it, and they self-adjust the current when charging multiple devices simultaneously. The lighted on/off switch has an integrated circuit breaker for overload protection on all outlets to keep your gadgets safe from fluctuations in voltage or a sudden lightning strike. The unit has a 15-amp circuit breaker, so you can even power some appliances with it. We plugged in an 8000 BTU window air conditioner without issue. Number 4. Tessan Flat Plug Extension Cord Power Strip. Tessan's flat plug extension cord is a compact option for when you only need a couple of extra outlets. Its size and shape make it easy to pack when traveling. We carried it in our laptop bag when working off-site. For standard outlets are spaced far apart, and they were efficient for fitting our devices without plugs overlapping. 3 standard USB ports were enough to satisfy our charging needs and helped make this useful as a tabletop charging station. You can also hang this Tessan flat on a wall or above a desk or nightstand if space is limited. We were surprised and impressed with the 3,940 joules of surge protection. That's a lot for a surge protector this small and inexpensive. Number 5. 1-Beat 6-Outlet Surge Protector. The AC outlets on this surge protector from 1-Beat have ample space in between them to accommodate bulkier adapters like laptop charging blocks. There are 2 outlets on the front panel and 2 on each side, which is convenient if you're plugging in devices with cords that aren't as flexible and need to lay flat. It's space-saving and not very long, so it works well for desktops and workstations. The surge protector auto-detects your connected devices for charging efficiency, and the lighted on/off switch has an integrated circuit breaker and automatically cuts power if the voltage gets overwhelming. Number 6. Anker PowerPort Cube Power Strip. The compact cube-shaped PowerPort from Anker is more of an extension cord with USB ports than it is a surge protector. Its tiny size doesn't take up much space on a desk and keeps outlets within easy reach. The PowerPort comes with an adhesive pad to keep it from moving around wherever you decide to put it. It's super sticky, so you can even tack it on a wall. We were able to do away with multiple AC adapters thanks to this Anker. There are 3 AC outlets and 3 USB ports, so it powers all the personal electronic devices you need for work or play. Its compact size also makes it ideal for travel, and the cube can easily fit into a briefcase or laptop bag. Similar to the Belkin and APC Surge Protectors, Anker has a connected equipment warranty, with coverage up to $200,000. Number 7. APC Rotating Surge Protector. APC's 6-outlet surge arrest is ideal for use near a desk or entertainment system. It has wall mounts on the back to hang it horizontally or vertically, but make sure it's accessible, or the USB ports all the way at the end could be blocked. The main feature of this surge protector is how the 6 outlets swivel to provide ample room for large power adapters, or oversized plugs. The power switch doubles as a circuit breaker reset, and when turned on, 2 LEDs indicate protection status and if the circuit is grounded properly. Finally, APC provides a $250,000 connected equipment protection policy.